Welcome back to beautiful Haulover Inlet and Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the inlet. And today, it's going to be an interesting one. We have a fairly heavy chop down here at Haulover, low tide going out, and about a 14-mile-an-hour wind. It's going to make for some interesting conditions as our captain's trying to battle with the inlet. But let's go ahead and get this episode started and move into our first round. Our first round competitor to step in the ring and do battle with Haulover, I believe, is going to be a Tierra Yachts featuring some 7 Seas Marine engines on the stern. And here this vessel's making its way out of Haulover Inlet. We got a couple people in the bow of the boat. Let's see if they can hang on up there. It's kind of a rough day. We can already see spray flying. It looks like my man's girlfriend's going to go get in his lap in the bow. And here we go as we start to roll into some of the rollers, and they are taking spray everywhere. And my man's like, slow down, slow down. We're moving, and him and wifey are moving to the back of the bus. Overall, the actual departure from the inlet wasn't terrible. I mean, there was a lot of spray, but really, it's just a rough day. I mean, he had the boat pretty much running on the right pace. The only flaw he had was, well, having these people sitting in the bow of the boat, so he had to come off a plane and let them move back. Not gonna lie, this one's tight and a tough call, but Haulover did just enough to knock these guys off their original plan, so I think I'm not going to have much of an option but to go ahead and give this first round to Haulover Inlet. And this will give Haulover an early 1-0 lead in our competition. Let's go ahead and see what our captain has to throw at us here in the second round. Our second round is going to feature a Regal coming through Haulover. My man went under the bridge, opened those throttles up, and he is straight full sending it out of Haulover. On a day like today, this is a high risk reward situation. I mean, you could win with this one, or you could get your tail smacked around. Fortunately for this crew, he kept that boat high up on plane, and they were able to successfully blast their way straight out of Haulover, and they're going to take a win for the boats here in the second round. Let's see what the third round competitor has up his sleeve. It's going to be tough to follow that second round act. And here we've got a Mako making its way out of Haulover, and this crew is going obviously a little slower than that Regal we just saw, but they really aren't on a terrible pace. But here comes the X Factor. We've got a major yacht coming through, going to add yacht wake, and that throws a whole nother wrinkle into this game. And oh man, they're going to take water over the bow. These guys stuff it. In fact, we almost lose the girl off the side of the seat as well. Here you can see she gets up in the air, lands. Thankfully, she holds on, but we only have a few rules. One, you take water over that bow, you take a loss. So unfortunately, the boats will take a loss in this round. And this will take us into our fourth round with Haulover leading 2-1. And here in the fourth round, we're going to have a little bit of a smaller boat start making its way toward Haulover. I'm not 100% sure what this one is. If you know, go ahead and light it up in the comments below. But our captain's making his way in. It looks like they've had a great day out there fishing, but we're getting some yacht wake thrown back into this mix as well. Captain quickly sees it, gets up on the throttle a little bit and try and get this boat up on step. And he's able to pick his way through it and take a win for the boats here in the fourth round. And that'll take us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece. Who will take the win in this episode? Will it be the boats or Haulover Inlet? And here we have a 44-foot Solaris making its way out of Haulover. And these guys, well, they're coming a little bit slow. Not a good game plan, and man, they stop it! This boat's got a massive freeboard. That's incredible that they were able to stuff that. They just are coming out too slow, kind of had the timing wrong. They stuff it and unfortunately take a loss for the boats, and Haulover takes a win in this episode. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.